Are specific events or even your entire Apple calendar not syncing with your MacBook Neo? Whether you're using an iPhone or iPad, let's see how to properly sync your calendar to your Mac Neo so you can trust your schedule again. First, you must ensure both your mobile device and your MacBook Neo are signed into the same Apple ID. After that, on your other device, go to Settings. Then, tap over your name banner. After that, go to the iCloud option, and next tap on Show All or See All. And in here, find iCloud Calendar. And then, make sure Use on this iPhone is toggled on. If it asks, select Merge to combine existing data. After that, on the MacBook Neo, navigate to System Settings, then click on your Apple ID. From there, go to the iCloud option and ensure the calendar option is toggled on in here as well. Now, what happens a lot of times is that sync fails because of specific settings rather than a broken connection. So, on your mobile device, go to Settings, scroll down to the end to Apps, then go to Calendar. In the calendar settings, scroll down for the Sync option. Here, make sure All Events is selected so that older or recurring items don't disappear. Calendar sync also fails if your clocks are mismatched, especially if you are traveling abroad. So, on your mobile or other device, from Settings, go to General, go to Date and Time, and make sure Set Automatically is on. On the other hand, on your Mac Neo, open Settings, then go to General, navigate to Date and Time, and ensure Set Automatically is toggled on in both General and Location-based settings. If Location Access needs to turn on, follow the prompts and enable it. And lastly, for a complete nuclear reset, you can sign out of iCloud on both devices. During sign out, if you see a prompt to keep your calendar data, make sure the box is checked. And after that, just go ahead and sign back in on both your devices. Again, if any calendar data merge prompt appears, make sure to select it to force a total resynchronization of your data. After completing all these steps, simply restart both of your devices to quickly apply the changes. Hopefully, your iCloud calendar is now syncing properly without any interruption with your Mac Neo. Thanks for your time.